Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to check on the monthly summary or monthly school report on Waliku admin. To do that, you're going to go to the school report page and then select the date corresponding to the month. For example, I'm going to select the 6th of September and then click on monthly. Here you can see if the attendance rate has improved or worsened over time. Green line is for the attendance rate, whereas the red line is for the absenteeism rate. In addition, you can also click on View More to see graph that shows absences due to various reasons such as health, social, and unknown. You can either show them all at once or just one of them or two of them here. If you scroll down, you can see the number of students absent due to social reason, specific social reasons. Here there are the specific social reasons such as bad weather, behavioral issues, etc. You can also just select one of them or all of them all at once. And if you scroll down again, you are going to see the number of students absent due to specific health reason. You can examine each of the absence reasons, especially those with high numbers, such as on October, you can see that the highest absence reason is cold or cough. There are 6 students who have or who suffers from cold or cough. And if you close it and go scroll down, you can see the number of students and also top 3 absence reasons here: headache, toothache, and then cold or cough. You can work with the health teacher and also the local clinic to come up with a campaign you can do to try to reduce the number of students missing from the school due to these reasons. In addition, you can also advise the students if they have headache or toothache or cold or cough to ask their parents or guardian to take them to the local clinic to get checked. Next, on the right side here, we can see or view the number of students who are added or deleted throughout the month. You can see the percentage of the absence students divided by gender, male and female. And if you go to the left side here, you can see the number of students who are absent for less than 3 days and also the number of students who are absent for more than 3 days. These students will be a matter of concern since this is a high risk absence episode and the student might be at risk of dropping out. Now, to check if your intervention for these issues have worked, simply click on the following month. For example, I'm going to select the month October and see the top 3 absence reason, whether there have been any increase or decrease or change in the absence reasons. If the number increase or change to other reasons, then you might want to investigate further with the school to try to reduce the number of absence due to this particular absence.